In crypto, seconds can be different between a jackpot and completely ragball. Welcome back to Tech Zone, where we don't follow the market, we stay ahead of it. Today, I'm uncovering an early stage opportunity for StarX Network and how to connect your or add your custom token for Star Network to Trust Wallet, and how to connect Trust Wallet to StarX Network. The question is, are you from 90% who watching this video and the it, and you will join StarX Network? You already have a chance, and this is chance to collect 500 coin to start KYC. You can collect it directly from Lucky Spin Wheel. For the people they not make update until you found wallet here. Also, you will found your credit is live and wait for BEP20 wallet address. This is the wallet you will margin on it your Star X coin. Now we have to go to start wallet as you see here. Click on view all. Custom. I don't know, the internet is very slow. Must be from Token Explorer. It was so easy. When you click to BNB Smart Exchange, they will open. Let's close the application. Maybe it's hanging. You must. Let's open custom. It's hanging again. I don't know why. The internet is too slow. We must open the network. As you see here, it's show it, click on it, manage crypto, manage. Now it's token, we have to choose the network, we will choose BNB Smart Chain, and for the network address or for the token address, I will let it in description box in the full article of Smart Network BNB Smart Chain. Click on it, copy, بس. It's appearing directly, import. So it's not showing the data because it's not listed yet. Click on received, copy the address, and go direct to your application. Start, wait for advertisement, bust, and save address. Add saved successfully. This is all about how to add your wallet to Trust Wallet. Your Trust Wallet exchange to StarX network. For price, I'm really don't know because they speaking about price since 1 cent to $10. It's up to you guys right now, but for me, I will sell it with $1. I hope it get it. Let me give you the truth most people ignore it. In crypto, profit are not made by luck, they are made by timing. The formula is simple: early entry, maximum profit you will have. We are not just a news channel, we are your alpha source. If this video gives you even a value of information, hit the like button and turn on the notification because the next video might be the opportunity you have been waiting for. At Tech Zone, we arrived before the crowd and the crowd arriving right now. Stay early, stay profitable. See you in the next one.